Have you ever wondered where your food really comes from? It's a fascinating journey that spans months, sometimes even years, and involves a multitude of hands and machines working in harmony. Before that onion hits your salad or that blueberry bursts in your mouth, it's been on quite a journey. From the moment it's planted to the time it reaches your plate, each piece of produce has a story to tell. It all starts in a field, months or even years before you see it in the store. These fields are carefully chosen and prepared to provide the best growing conditions for the crops. Farmers plant seeds, nurture them with water and sunlight, and wait patiently for the right moment to harvest. They monitor the growth closely, ensuring that the plants receive the right amount of nutrients and protection from pests. When the time comes, teams of workers or massive machines step in to gather the crops. This process can be labor-intensive and requires precision to ensure that the produce is harvested at its peak. After harvest, the food heads to a processing plant or packing house where it's washed, sorted, and prepped for the store. This step is crucial for maintaining the quality and safety of the produce. Conveyor belts whiz by, carrying tons of produce every hour, ensuring everything is clean and safe. Advanced technology and meticulous attention to detail play a significant role in this stage. Then, it's packed up and loaded onto trucks ready to travel across the country. These trucks are equipped to keep the produce fresh during its journey to various destinations. The next time you pick up a bag of onions or a carton of blueberries, remember the relay of hands and machines that brought it to you. Each step in the process is essential to ensure that you get the freshest and highest quality produce. It's a massive, daily effort, full of hard work and innovation. From traditional farming techniques to cutting-edge technology, every aspect is designed to optimize the growth and distribution of food. Every meal is the result of this incredible journey. The next time you sit down to eat, take a moment to appreciate the effort and dedication that went into bringing that food to your table. So next time you eat, think about the story behind your food. Each bite is a testament to the hard work of countless individuals and the marvels of modern agriculture. It's a story worth knowing. Understanding the journey of your food can deepen your appreciation for every meal and the people who make it possible. Let's talk about onions, the backbone of so many dishes. These humble bulbs are a staple in kitchens around the world, adding depth and flavor to countless recipes. From soups and stews to salads and sandwiches, onions are indispensable. The U.S. grows nearly 9 billion pounds of onions each year, mostly in California, Washington, and Idaho. These states provide the perfect climate and soil conditions for onion cultivation, making them the top producers in the nation. Onions start as tiny seeds in carefully prepared fields, planted in neat rows by precise machines. This meticulous process ensures that each seed has the best chance to grow into a healthy, robust plant. Farmers use efficient irrigation and keep a close eye on weeds and pests, ensuring a healthy crop. They employ sustainable practices such as drip irrigation and eco-friendly pesticides to protect the environment while nurturing their plants. As onions mature, their green tops yellow and fall, a sign they're ready for harvest. This natural indicator helps farmers determine the perfect time to gather their crop, ensuring the onions are at their peak flavor and texture. Timing is everything. The right moment means firm, flavorful onions with that familiar papery skin. Farmers must be vigilant as harvesting too early or too late can affect the quality of the onions. Once harvested, the clock is ticking to cure and ship them. Onions are carefully cured to enhance their shelf life and flavor, then quickly transported to markets and stores across the country. The journey from field to factory combines old-fashioned hard work with cutting-edge technology. Workers and machines work side by side to ensure that each onion is handled with care and efficiency. So when you slice into an onion, remember the months of care behind it. Each layer you peel back reveals the dedication and effort of countless individuals who have worked tirelessly to bring this essential ingredient to your table. It's a testament to the dedication of America's farmers. Their hard work and commitment to quality ensure that we have access to fresh, flavorful onions year-round. Every onion tells a story of patience and precision. From the moment the seed is planted to the time it reaches your kitchen, each step is a crucial part of the journey. That's the flavor foundation of our favorite foods. Onions bring a unique taste and aroma that elevate our meals, making them an essential part of culinary traditions around the world. Harvesting onions is a big job, one that marks the culmination of months of hard work and careful tending in the fields. Each onion, from the tiniest pearl to the largest globe, represents a season's worth of patience, planning, and hope for a bountiful yield. When it comes time to bring in the harvest, farmers have two main options: using powerful machines or relying on the skilled hands of workers. Each method has its own unique rhythm and challenges. On sprawling commercial farms, massive harvesters roll through the fields. These machines are engineering marvels, slicing beneath the soil to loosen the onions, then gently scooping them up onto conveyor belts. As the onions travel along, they're shaken free of dirt and debris, and even get a preliminary cleaning right there in the open air. These high-tech machines can process thousands of tons of onions every single day. As they work, they sort the onions by size and quality, ensuring that only the best make it to your kitchen. The speed and efficiency are truly remarkable, allowing farmers to harvest vast fields in a fraction of the time it would take by hand. But not all onions are suited for machines. On smaller farms, or when dealing with delicate or specialty varieties, the harvest is still done by hand. Here, experienced workers move row by row, gently loosening the soil and pulling each onion free. This careful touch helps prevent bruising and damage, preserving the quality of every bulb. After the onions are pulled from the earth, they're arranged in neat rows right in the field. This is the start of the curing process, where the sun and fresh air work together to dry and harden the outer skins. Curing is essential for long-term storage as it helps protect the onions from rot and spoilage. This step might seem simple, but it's absolutely vital. The curing process can take several days, and during this time, the onions develop the papery skins that keep them fresh for months in your pantry or at the grocery store. No matter how the onions are harvested, by the precision of machines or the care of human hands, every single bulb must go through this crucial stage. It's a blend of nature and know-how, ensuring that onions stay flavorful and firm until they're ready to be used. Once the curing is complete, the onions are gathered up and loaded for transport. Some head straight to factories where they'll be cleaned, sorted again, and packed for shipping to markets around the world. The entire process is a fascinating blend of old traditions and cutting-edge technology. In many fields, you'll see modern machines working side by side with workers using time-honored techniques, each playing a vital role in the harvest. From the moment they're pulled from the soil to the time they leave the farm, billions of onions begin their journey to kitchens and tables everywhere, feeding families and adding flavor to countless meals. The scale and care involved in onion harvesting is truly impressive, a testament to both human ingenuity and the enduring connection between people and the land. Garlic, the onion's cousin, starts as a single clove planted in rich soil. It grows slowly, taking 6 to 8 months to mature. Harvesting garlic is delicate. Machines gently lift bulbs, and workers often finish by hand. At the factory, machines break heads into cloves and use high-pressure air to peel them quickly. Some garlic is sold fresh, some roasted, and much is minced or jarred for convenience. With over 28 million tons produced globally, efficient processing is key. Every clove brings bold flavor to kitchens worldwide. Garlic's journey is small but mighty. In California's groves, olives grow on ancient trees and are harvested in the fall. For olive oil, machines grip the trunk and shake ripe olives onto umbrella-like nets. Conveyor belts whisk the fruit away, while fans remove leaves and twigs. These machines can harvest thousands of pounds per hour, making the process fast and efficient. Speed matters. Olives are rushed to the plant for pressing to ensure top-quality oil. Table olives, destined for jars, are hand-picked for perfect appearance. Workers select only the best unbruised fruit. This careful handling preserves quality for the olives we snack on or toss in salads. Whether shaken or hand-picked, every olive's journey is a blend of tradition and technology. From tree to table, it's a process refined over centuries. The result? Delicious olives and oil for every occasion. That's the magic of the olive harvest. Once olives reach the factory, they take two paths: oil or pickled. For oil, olives are washed, crushed into paste, and spun in a centrifuge to separate the oil. Cold pressing preserves flavor and nutrients. The oil settles in tanks, then is bottled in dark glass to protect it from light. Meanwhile, pickled olives are soaked in brine for months to remove bitterness. After curing, machines may pit them before packing in jars. Each process is designed for quality and taste. From bitter fruit to golden oil or savory snack, the transformation is remarkable. Every bottle and jar holds the story of careful handling and expert timing. That's how olives become the staples we love. The journey is as rich as the flavor. Watermelons are summer's giants, grown in warm states like Florida. Fields are prepped with black plastic to warm soil and block weeds. Seedlings are planted by machine, but harvesting is all by hand. Workers cut ripe melons, pass them down a human conveyor, and load them into bins. Bins go onto refrigerated trucks, keeping melons fresh on the way to the plant. At the plant, watermelons are washed, sorted by sensors, and stickered for stores. Some are cut for fresh packs or juiced, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Every slice is the result of teamwork and careful handling. That's the story behind your summer treat. Blueberries, tiny but mighty, are grown across the U.S. from spring to fall. Highbush berries are hand-picked for the fresh market, ensuring only the ripest make it to stores. For freezing or juice, machines gently shake bushes, collecting ripe berries on conveyor belts. At the plant, berries are washed and sorted by high-speed scanners and air jets. Perfect berries are packed fresh or quick frozen to lock in flavor. This mix of hand-picking and technology powers a $5 billion industry. Every berry is handled with care, from bush to box. That's why they taste so good. Blueberries may be small, but their journey is big. Each one is a little gem of summer. From onions to blueberries, every food has a story of hard work and innovation. Farmers nurture crops for months, relying on skill, patience, and technology. Machines and people work side by side. Giant harvesters, smart sensors, and skilled hands all play a part. This partnership makes it possible to feed millions every day. The next time you eat, remember the journey your food has taken. Thank the farmers, workers, and engineers behind every bite. Even the simplest meal is the result of a big, important job. That's something worth appreciating every day.